You there! Can you see all right? Can you read instructions? Never know with peasants. Right, well then pick up that sword and let's learn the basics!
I really can't do this.
You men's clothes on a haystack.
You're the best.
Slosh is great against multiple opponents and is easy to land. Overheads deal great too. Stabs generally have the most range. Now, chain your attacks in a combo to overwhelm your opponent.
I soiled myself, and nobody cares! For the tea and the angry cat-like thingy!
Good. This time, mix up your strikes. Now, you know what a swing is? Let's crunch out some more of these logs. If these logs could kill you, they would.
Oops! We're still friends, right? Onward! Please, of course. Sure. Argon is the rightful king! No, wait, is it Argon or Argon? Right, Argon!
Players retain control of their aim during attacks, so adjusting a weapon's path mid-swing is essential to learn. Turn into your swing and break them all with one slash. Good!
Thank you.
Smash this one with a single overhead. Good one! And this one with 1 star. Remember, drag to kill them with your weapon, not your eyes. The first player to land a hit will interrupt their opponent's attack. So turn to land your strike as fast as possible. All right, now turn into your strike. You'll never beat your opponent to the punch swing like that.
Why?
You'll never beat your opponent to the punch swinging like that. Learn both of your hits of your combo before taking a hit.
Where did you find that type of bird? In snow. I think I've heard just about enough for today.
No, show me you've learned something. Each time you strike. Each time you strike. Each time you strike.
God, you. Oh.
Each time you strike.
Hey.
Each time you strike.
Ow!
Each time you strike. Some enemies are cowards, and they try to defend themselves. Let's learn how to deal with them. Perform a combo after being blocked. Comboing from being blocked is a little slower, but drains that stamina quickly. Not bad. Blocks can be held, but quickly drain stamina. A defending player is disarmed when they run out of stamina. Heavy attacks deal more damage and help beat down an opponent's block. Holding block drains the stamina and will eventually lead to a disarm. Good. Now, heavy stab. Smash his stamina down with the mighty special attack.
Where did you find that type of bird? In snow.
Nope. They get worse every time. You've not learned a thing. God. Kick to stun a blocking opponent, and then immediately follow up with a kick to break an opponent's block, allowing for a free follow-up attack. Boom! A defending opponent can only block strikes in front of them, so try to use movement and drugs to hit them behind the ears as a way of slipping past their defense. Now, step to the side and land a strike around the opponent's block. Nice! Hit your enemy by starting an attack, then immediately switch to a different attack. Throw off your opponent's timing with a fight. Now, go learn how to defend yourself. Personally, I don't believe in it, but they tell me we have to teach you.
What is even happening?
Block your opponent's attacks. You can hold block, which rapidly drains stamina and leaves you vulnerable to a disarm. So try to time it. Dodge away from your opponent's attacks. And sometimes you just gotta get out of his way. Let's practice dashing. After a successful block, there is a half-second window to attack and perform a riposte. That's the spirit. Attack after successfully blocking to riposte. A riposte is a faster attack that also blocks all incoming strikes for a time. Attacking from block enables a short counter window that will deflect incoming strikes of the same strike type. Attack from block before impact with a matching strike type to counter. Counters negate the stamina and knockback effects of blocking. The basic flow. If you get hit or blocked, defend yourself. If you land a hit or block, attack. Start your swing early enough to hit your opponent before getting hit. Start your attack earlier than you think to maximize your risk. Try to get in range just as your swing is doing damage. That's it. Good distance and timing is key. Now, let's see if you can recover from taking a hit. When you take a hit, your opponent has the timing advantage. There are few options. A fast jab can interrupt your opponent's combo. Get your defense up quickly after taking a hit. Dodge your way out of this one. Each subclass has unique special items, which charge over time and perform specific actions unique to each class. All that action has got me fired up. Use your special item to finish him off. Use your bandage to heal up. Now, get yourself patched up before we get back to it. Good as new. If nothing else, you be good at taking a beating. Go on to the final challenge.
For that guy we
You
like!
can block thrown projectiles, but not those shot by a bow.
Oh!
Biscuits!
Let's give some back to him. You can throw everything you have. Role-playing is a major part of the game experience. Use all tabs of the VL wheel to ensure you are prepared to defend. They say the mental side is half a fight.
Jeez, my bad. Oh, you look fantastic covered in that, what is that, blood? No, thank you, my lord. This is my birthday! What's going on? I must be in the wrong place. I was told I'd be participating in some on-field training. Don't let them kill me!
There's always some sense to nonsense. Time to learn how to fight when you're outnumbered. Fighting outnumbered is challenging, so let's learn about how you can use actions to defend yourself. You can block as soon as you've landed a blow. You can also use dodge to avoid getting surrounded. Get blocked, then defend with block and dash once each. If you get blocked, defend yourself immediately. Or get out of the way with the dash. Attacking from a successful block allows you to block all incoming strikes for a time. Remember, a successful riposte allows you to block incoming strikes for a time. Time to see what you've learned, chap. Move to the centre of the ring
I'm
and
trying to
battle
sound
cry when you're ready to
intimidating!
face them.
I hope you did your stretches this morning. You were
Go, blue
Boy,
team!
like your life depends on it. You've done it. First conscript not to die today. Now, tell me which faction shall ye kill and
Oh,
die
now
for?
look, I've got blood on me trousers.
Which will it be? The ruthless mice in order, or the dutiful Agothian knights? For the red and black!
The Battle of Warden Glade.
Look to the men standing by you today! These are your brothers, not by birthright, but by shared belief that man is not born into his position. Look across the field at those who would claim fealty based on privileged birth. Bring them death! Charge!
Eliminate the enemy team! Verily.
They have only 30 troops left! We only have 30 troops left! Just 20 Agathians remain! They're down to 10 troops left! Only 20 Mason troops remain! Only 5 Agathians remain! We are victorious! Escape from Falmouth. The gates are nearly breached! Masons, fall back and defend the village! Keep the Agathians away from the prisoners!
Almost cracked out.
few prisoners left!
On your feet and off your arse, lad.
Thanks. Just go.
So much more to conquer.
prisoners! Fall back to the bridge! Infantry, defend the bridge! Halt the enemy's advance!
Fall back to the keep!
Keep the gate shut! Defend the gate and the gatehouse! Guard the gate! Stop them! The gate is badly damaged! Utter failure! The gate has fallen! Fall back into the keep! Do not let the Agathians free Thorn! Defend the prison! We must foil their rescue attempt!
Use your shields! Raise your shields to the head!
Kill Thorn before he escapes!
My arm! Impossible!
Champion! Imbecile! God has managed to escape! The Raising of Uskandir.